So guys, we are going to be doing a giveaway since my birthday is on the 25th this month. And the prize is $100.
So Jenna is given $100 from her allowance, right? So thank you, Jenna. And it's going to be for one of the top commenters and a subscriber, right? So all the names are in the basket and we're going to pick a name randomly. So good luck to everyone, right?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
And what you normally do with your allowance, Jen?
Buy Robux.
And you're giving it willingly, right?
Yep.
Why?
Because I want to give back to everyone since they support the channel a lot. And since it's the month of my birthday, they send love.
Oh,
and
that's
I
so
want to
cute.
send back.
Oh, that's so
All right,
nice.
so obviously we can't give to everybody, right? So Jenna choose one person. This is the way she choose to do it. She go through the channel, pick out the top commenters or whoever is commenting the most. She pick their name, put it in the basket here, right? So we have a bunch of name in here, and then she's gonna pick one randomly. So good luck to everybody, right?
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video
Please subscribe to our channel.
and share with everyone.
Hello everyone, it's your favorite niece Jenna here. And say hi to your second favorite niece, Cookie. I had her for 5 years. And she has her own wardrobe. She has nice shoes, this nice dress, and this nice little bow. I had her for 5 years, and I took really well care of her. Examples of the names I wrote.
Yes, Jen, you don't have to pick everything. You just call a few names. That's fine.
We have Miss Rose, Harry Prasad Daniel, Lee McGill, Pam Prasad. The names I wrote, and these are all commenters. So please comment down below to be entered in our next giveaway.
All right, so let's shake this up, and then you're gonna pick a name, right? Randomly.
The winner is Tara Lala.
Yay, congratulations.
Congratulations to Auntie Tarla. You just have to say Auntie Tarla.
And good luck for all these people for the next time, right? And like Jenna said, if you want to be selected, you comment, and that's how we get to pick. I know there's a lot of people watching, and they're just silent watcher, right? So to be chosen, you need to comment, so that way we can pick from that. And if you guys have a better idea on how we can come about or go about do this, you can also comment and let us know, right?
Yes, this is Jenna's way.
My mom is gonna put below her email for you. Our beautiful winner, congratulations, Auntie Tara Lala. So my mom's email will be in the description, and you will be able to contact her from there for the money. And I think she's from Trinidad. And
Yes.
She's one of our biggest supporters.
Yes.
And make sure to drop a comment below saying happy birthday, your my favorite niece Jenna.
Yes, Jenna, don't worry. You'll get your comments. Right, Jen?
Yeah.
So you happy about your giveaway?
Yes. So guys, I also have a joke, and it's why is Cinderella so bad at soccer? And it's because she keeps running away from the ball.
Oh, that's a cute one.
And guys, did you know that there's a total of 195 countries in the whole wide world? Some countries in the world are Mongolia, Japan, Jordan, Jamaica, Guyana, the United States, Zimbabwe, Zambia. There's also Netherlands, Nigeria, Ecuador, Colombia, Czech Republic, and then there's Switzerland, Finland, Greenland, Canada, Honduras, Peru, Brazil, Austria, Australia, Albania. There's also Belgium, Germany, and then here's some from Asia: China, Vietnam, Nepal, India, North Korea, South Korea, Puerto Rico. Wait, that's in like the North America area. And Kenya, and then there's South Africa, and that's all I can name off my head from now. Oh yeah, there's like also Bolivia, there's Sweden. Also, did you guys know there's only 3 countries that start with the letter J? They are Japan, Jordan, and Jamaica.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, nice, Jen. Thanks for the knowledge.
You're welcome. I have
You're
my favorite snack here. Birds give me dop, 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 dop. Yes, 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 yes. Deep, stibbity, deep, stibbity, dobby, 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 dobby. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, hello everyone. Hope you guys are having a fantastic start to your 2023. Mine didn't start too good, right? I'm making some I'm making some chip today. So the reason why I said mine didn't start too good, remember I said I was going to go to church on the first day of the year? So I did went. And while I was there was a lady sitting in front of me. She wear a nice dress and everything. And every time the pastor, while the pastor is preaching, you got to stand up, sit down, stand up.
Wait, hold a minute. You're Christian? Me not say you're Christian?
Convert.
Oh,
So,
okay.
while the lady keeps sitting down, standing up, she ended up getting a massive wedgie. So, she stand right in front of me, so I couldn't bear it anymore. So I decided to pull out her wedgie. That's when she turned around and gave me one punch in the eye.
No joke.
So me say, all right, I deserve that. I shouldn't have done that. Anyway, the ceremony keep going on, so I just keep quiet, right? The thing happened again. She get another wedgie. And this time, her husband pulled it out. So I said, okay, her husband did it now. He's going to be in trouble. But then I think about it for a second. I said, you know what? This lady don't like when anybody pull out her wedgie. Let me put it back in for her. That's when she turned around and punched me in the eye. So that's why I get a bad start from my 2023.
So yes, guys, check it out. I'm going to help season this little plant in here. Just, what you guys having it? Cutters?
Yes, cutters.
Cutters. And this is my way of doing it. We don't normally season it when we're frying it, but this is the first time because when you do this, the kids normally don't like it, but since it's a small portion, going with some black pepper and some nice paprika and some chili powder, right? And of course, my salt. And then I'm gonna do it Guyanese style. I know I just overwarm. I just came back from shopping. Ooh. Check it out.
Looking good, looking good.
He don't like it this way. That's why I did it this way. So he's gonna munch on this while playing his game. Alright? So we're trying some tempura shrimp. I know Krishna had it numerous times, but it's from the Indian version, right? So we saw this and we tried to say, let's try this. It's tempura shrimp, baked or air fry, right? So what are you gonna do? Baked?
Yeah, I'm gonna bake it.
Okay,
I started the oven already, so I'm gonna warm up the oven to about 450.
Wow, it came with this nice little soy sauce. And check the packaging. Real nice.
Yep, so some nice tempura shrimp there. It's not a lot, and today we're not doing a lot of cooking, right? We're just making some snacks and some cutters, like
What do you
Rita
mean?
said.
I made chicken curry and rice.
Yeah, I'm saying we're not cooking it on the channel. So
Yes.
we're just doing some snack real quick.
Yes. We're doing it for Jen. Jen wanted to give the giveaway. And why not, right? Is it okay I could turn it this week?
Yeah, I don't think it matters how you turn it. As long as it get baked.
Presentation. I hope
As
you
long as
don't
it get
complain. Rita, oh God, you know, put presentation.
I also got some crab cake too. I'm gonna do that on a separate tray though.
Yes. Bring it, bring it. Let's do it. And this is for the boys. Me and Jen are gonna eat this. Ethan and Krishna are gonna eat this.
All right. So this is how it comes out. It's pre-made, right? So we didn't make it. We're just gonna pop it in the oven and give it a shot.
And guys, this is so nice and handy if you're having a party and hosting it. I see it in Costco. They have a big range of it. I'm gonna buy it next time and leave it. But I just grabbed it in the store today and I said, let me try it. So we're gonna pop this. The oven have to be how much?
450.
450? Really? For how many minutes?
About 18 to 20 minutes.
Man, I throw away the box and I'm asking you. I guess you read the box. Okay, yes, guys.
So I also got some crab cake minis here. So we
From
bought this
Costco.
from Costco. So we bought this. I tried some yesterday. It was really good. So it's already pre-mixed. You just gotta pop it in the oven, right? So return them funny. Then I eat all them things. So just me gonna eat this. So I'm not gonna do a lot. I think they recommend 6 per serving. So I'm gonna do double.
No, Ethan might try it.
Since me size a double, right? Than the normal size. So alright, so that should be good there. I'm gonna bake some of these here. And then we got a big pan. So same thing, you gotta put it in the oven, let it bake for 450 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. So same as the shrimp. So both should be done at the same time. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in once the oven is almost there, and put it in to bake. So like we said, we did a cooking already, but we didn't show that. We're just showing some small snack. How the plantain coming along here. It looked like you got a lot of burnt stuff in it, right? But it's just a seasoning.
Season. It's normal, Krishna.
Yeah. You know, some people might think like, what the hell is going on here?
No, you're worried. I watch how a lot of people do it like that.
I'm gonna retell like presentation and stuff, so you could be like, what the hell am I doing? I'm gonna present this thing properly.
Yes, blame it on me, man.
Alright, so it looks done. I'm gonna take it down.
Jenna is waiting patient. Hi, Jen. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Might be a little bit spicy, Jen. On the
I never
spicy
tried
side.
it with seasoning.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It might be a little bit spicy, so let's see.
Honest opinion.
And I got this stuff in the oven. The oven is warmed up already. So they got the tempura shrimp and the crab cake in there already, right? So Jen, you're gonna try this? We'll let it cool down for a little bit, right?
Okay.
Let's do the other side. Okay, Jen.
Come on, Jen, try it. Honest opinion.
If it's too hot, let me hold it back for you. Turn that way.
It's good. It's good. I'll add salt to it. No.
More salt?
Oh yeah, because
You probably get
Yeah.
in the oil, right?
yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna add some salt.
How is the seasoning?
Okay, Ethan, so look what I made here. I made all of these from scratch. Shrimp, tempura shrimp with crab cake, and your mommy make plantain chips. So what are you gonna try?
The shrimp.
Okay. You don't want to do the sauce, right?
Try it. It's I think it's soy sauce, right?
Mm-hmm. How is it?
Good.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
How you rate it?
2 out of 10.
Yes, I know 10 out of 10. Eat them real nice.
Okay, you want to try the crab cake? Okay, finish that, then you're going to try the crab cake. You ever had crab cake before, or is it your first time?
First time.
Okay. So how is the crab cake? Like professional, right? Do you think
Yeah.
I'm a professional?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Try plantain or your mommy with plantain. How is the plantain?
Good.
Good? Alright, so let me try this tempura shrimp with the sauce and see. Oh man, this is good. It's very flavorful.
Really?
Just like the Japanese chef when they serve it to me. I could be a Japanese chef here, a sushi chef myself. Right? This is good, actually good. Yeah, it's good.
Really?
Not lying, it's very flavorful. You should try it. Right, Ethan?
Ethan like it.
So let me try this crab cake. I actually had some yesterday, but I'm gonna try it again. See, it comes out really good. It's like professional, right? Actually, I didn't do it. I just baked it, but it's very, very good. And it's not imitation crab meat. It's real crab meat.
Really?
So that's why it's even better. Yeah, and it's good. It's just like it's fresh, right?
Really?
That's the good thing with it.
Too bad me and Jen don't eat crab.
You should try the shrimp. At least you eat shrimp, right?
Well, you know this is Zoo times 2, alongside Dillo.